Good morning, friends. Welcome to SBI Securities morning podcast. In today's podcast, we will be discussing what to expect in Nifty and Bank Nifty from here on, along with the key levels for both the indices. We'll also be discussing on the key sectors and stocks that we should be focusing for the day and the next few trading sessions. While Nifty ended the previous financial year on a strong note, it carried forward the positive momentum on the first day of the new financial year, ending the day with gains of 0.6%. Apart from this, Bank Nifty also showed good strength, managing to close the day with gains of 0.96%. It was the mid cap and small cap counters that witnessed excellent traction with both the indices, that is the mid cap and small cap indices, closing 1.7 and 3% higher respectively. However, we feel that mid cap should be preferred over the small caps given the better relative strength in the mid cap index. Among the sectorial indices, Nifty Realty, Metal, PSE Index were the top gainers, while Nifty IT, despite ending the day with minor gains, acted as a laggard for the day. Important to note that if the Nifty IT Index is also approaching its crucial support zone, that is 34,500. From a global macro perspective, if we see with the dollar index has spiked to elevated levels of 105 and the US 10-year yields have witnessed an uptick towards 4.3%. Brent crude is trading closer towards its short-term swing high, that is of 87.70, and is looking stronger to move towards $92 a barrel. The trend of crude oil prices coupled with the momentum of USD INR inching towards 84 would be extremely crucial from an Indian standpoint. Coming to the key levels for the day, that is for Nifty. With the underlying trend remaining strong going forward, the support lies around 22,180 zone, while the zone of 22,500, 22,520 will be the immediate hurdle for the index. Any sustainable move above the levels of 22,520 will lead to a short covering move towards 22,650, 22,680 in the short term. In case if the index slips below 22,180, it will lead to further selling pressure in the index up to the mark of 22,050, 22,020 levels. Coming to the OI data, Nifty PCR is currently at 0.95. Meaningful call writing is witnessed across 22,400, 22,500 strikes, while put writing was witnessed across 22,200 and 22,000 strike. The overall range for the coming few sessions could be 22,500 on the upside and 22,180 on the downside. Coming to Bank Nifty managed to cross and close above its important resistance zone of 47,250 in trade yesterday. Going forward till the index holds above its crucial support placed at 47,200 zone, it could gradually inch higher towards the mark of 47,950, 48,100 on the upside. Any sustainable move above the levels of 48,100 will lead to a short covering rally in Bank Nifty towards the mark of 48,600, 48,800. While on the downside, in case the index slips below the mark of 46,950, it will lead to selling pressure towards the mark of 46,450, 46,300 levels. Looking at the OI data for Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty PCR for the weekly series is currently at 1.10. Significant call writing was seen at 47,500, 47,700 strikes, and on the put side it is majorly seen in 47,500, 47,300 strike. So implying a range of 47,100 on the downside and 47,950 on the upside. Coming towards stocks and sectors in momentum. So like we highlighted, capital goods, auto, reality, these counters look strong at the current juncture, as well as from a medium term perspective. And from stock specific perspective, if we see the likes of Grasim, Ambuja Cement, HAL, LT, Siemens, DLF, Godrej Properties, Adani Entertainment, Cipla, Tata Steel, Sun Pharma, JSW Steel, Bharti Airtel, Carborundum Universal, these are the counters which are looking good based on technical as well as on the relative strength chart. Coming to the FII DI data, in the cash market, while FII started the new year on a sell mode to the tune of 522 crores, DI has continued to be net buyers yesterday to the tune of 1208 crores. FI long short ratio for index futures at the inception of the fresh series is at 45% on a net basis. This as they bought about 2264 index futures. So friends, that's all for today. Thank you for regularly listening to our podcast and wishing you all an energetic day ahead. Do tune in tomorrow for more market updates and insights. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.